Switching your Frostproof hydrant back to PEX plumbing is way easier than it looks once you get how those connectors work. So, you've got this Frostproof hydrant hooked up with a female adapter to PEX, and there's this yellow tab on the hose bib you're eyeing. First off, that yellow tab is usually a safety clip or locking mechanism that keeps the coupler from spinning or coming loose, so don't just yank it off. Instead, try loosening the coupler by turning it counterclockwise, but if it feels stuck, double check if that yellow tab needs to be pulled out gently to unlock the coupler. When you finally get the coupler unscrewed, you can remove the old setup and attach your PEX line directly to the female adapter with a proper PEX fitting or clamp. Make sure you use the right size and type of PEX fitting to avoid leaks. Usually, a crimp or clamp ring works best here. Also, before you start, cut your PEX tubing straight and clean so it fits snug without gaps. Hand tightening first, and then using a wrench carefully to finish is the way to go. You don't want to over-tighten and damage the fittings. If you're unsure about any step, watching a quick how-to or asking a local pro won't hurt, since Frostproof hydrants can be tricky with freezing conditions. One of the biggest mistakes people make with Frostproof hydrants and PEX setups is forcing the coupler without removing safety clips or tabs. This can break parts or cause leaks. To fix that, always look for locking tabs and remove them gently before trying to unscrew anything. Another big issue is using the wrong PEX fitting size or type, which leads to dripping or water pressure problems. Double check your fittings, match your pipe diameter, and are rated for outdoor use. Lastly, people often skip cutting their PEX tubing straight or cleaning off burrs, causing poor seals. You can avoid this by using a proper tubing cutter and inspecting the ends before attaching anything. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners like you find trusted local contractors who know how to handle Frostproof hydrants and PEX plumbing like pros. It also helps contractors connect with real customers looking for quality work, making these home fixes way less stressful for everyone.